Praise be to Allah by starting the name of Allah, the merciful and the most compassionate. Today I am very blessed to appear in front of these honorable people, composed of my classmates, hosts, spectators, intellectuals, the teachers, especially my particular teacher who teaches me educate person, who teaches me this complicated language, and also made me educate person. So I'm greeting you the best and most gracious, that is best for Allah be upon you. After greeting, let me introduce myself. I'm Karim Mukhtar Muhammad Sheikh. I was born and bred in Mogadishu, the capital city of the Kenya. I'm a student at Etienne Hilton School. In the morning I learn English and mathematics. After greeting, today we stand here and suggesting lecture about the birth time. My first question is, what is birth time? The time is the stuff that life is made of. To squander time means to gamble the future. Everything has time and every time has importance. There is time to be born and time to die. There is time to suffer and time to enjoy. There is time to be there and time to work. There is time to congratulate yourself on the accomplishment you have made and a time to have your fullness. There is time to work and time to rest. So I don't want to lengthen my talk. I want to encapsulate my talk as pertaining this word. So, Julio.